Hey guys, it's Molly again. We're doing the multiple stimuli without replacement preference assessment of food. So before the last one, I did the preference assessment. I had 10 stimuli. I actually only introduced, I think, 8. So I'm just going to go run through real fast and show you the stimuli that we used. I really do apologize. I'm sure that confused people. So we had cashews. We had Oreos, muffins, Famous Amos cookies, candy cane, Cheez-It, Cheetos, and our grapes. Did I say your peppermint patty? And then our yummy York peppermint patty. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. Oh, and we had Apple Jacks. I'm sorry. Apple Jacks. All right, now that I've actually introduced all 10 stimuli, I'm going to go ahead and just place them out. And just remember that you want to make sure your client's deprived of, any kind of food. Maybe do it before lunchtime, because then this may give you a more accurate data on what they prefer versus if they're satiated, just ate a huge meal, they're really not going to want to do it. Also, just kind of look at their overall health, make sure they're not sick, they're happy, because that can give you a more accurate representation of their preferences. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and bend this down again so you can see actually what's going on versus me. Sorry. 1, 2, 3. And also just make sure they're in different places when you do it. And again, our friend here is little Drewby. He's going to be our actor today. So let's get started. This is trial 2 of multiple stimuli without replacement. Pick one. All right, so here he chose an Oreo cookie. And then all you want to do is just make sure you write down your data. Again, just make sure you're placing things in a randomized order. And then, wait till your client is done consuming it. Pick one. This time he chose grape, which is awesome. Again, just placing it equally spaced out. Pick one. He chose the Famous Amos cookie. Awesome job, my friend. Also, just make sure you're kind of keeping your comments neutral. This way, you're not, giving any bias reinforcement towards one stimuli or the other. This is based off what the client prefers, not what you prefer. So there is no wrong answer. Pick one. This one, he chose the Apple Jack cereal. Pick one. This one, he chose the Cheeto, and for anybody following along, this is trial. This is trial 2, number 5. Pick one. And here he chose the York peppermint patty. And as you get smaller, just make sure your stuff is equal. Pick one. Chose the candy cane for number 7. Pick one. he chose the cashew for number 8. Pick one. For number 9, he chose the Cheez-It. And so number 10, the last one, would be a muffin, of course. All right, so I'm going to let him consume that for number 10. And then we're going to stop it, and then we'll do trial 3 in the next video. So hang on, guys.